Hello, it's Romeo again. And yes, I found this tool that a lot of traders use, the Fibonacci retracement tool. But we actually modified the settings a little bit. So if you want to take a screenshot of these settings of the 0.618, yeah, keep that. I think it's a 616 by default, but also yeah, 0.66. Yeah, just take a screenshot of that and apply it to your fib retracement tool, which you can find right here on the left-hand side, fib retracement, right? I don't actually know too much about how or why it works, but it just seems to work at the moment. And once I do educate myself a little bit more in terms of how and why it works, I will get back to you guys. But yes, okay. So we're looking at Axie Infinity. Yeah, so like this coin is actually just insane. But, right, most people would say, even including myself, I thought that this was going to be the breakout high. However, it stops. So we trade what we see, right? So what we do is, if we're looking at shorts, is that we take our fib retracement tool, take the first swing high to the first swing low, and this is the acceptable amount of retrace that you accept if you were going to either hold this short here or make an entry. So that's how I use it for. This is going to be the first level of resistance, because people are going to be closing positions out here once they see that the price is going back up. Because scalpers, we like to take profit, which I do. But I mean, if you want to scalp this long, this would be the target profit. And I actually did take this long, and obviously I missed this. I missed this elite entry. I actually entered here around 77.34, took profit literally at 77, and I could have actually traded this short. But like, look how insane this works, right? For swing high to swing low, and then you just adjust it level to level. Swing high to swing low. That's your acceptable amount of retrace, and then you draw it from that level to that level. And yeah, you just keep following it down and down until it actually, the trend actually changes. I was actually looking to put in this long, and yes, it did. It break above, take profit at the M5, and then see what's happening there. I feel like we're ranging at the moment, but yeah, I mean, the Fibonacci tool, people say it's bullshit, but I mean, it works for certain parameters. It's obviously not gospel. Don't rely on any one indicator or one trading strategy. Add tools to your arsenal. But yeah, just as a bonus, yeah, I'm not taking credit for this, by the way. This was the work of Rugs Three Crows, and TJ from Technical Analysis called it the scope, because he's got this whole like military theme going. But like, look how crazy this is, right? This still blows my mind, right? So we go from the absolute bottom. This is the Fibonacci speed fan, and it's actually quite insane. Yeah, prepare for rainbow right now. Kaboom! Right, first swing high. We have to adjust. Hang on. To the most recent high, and look how perfectly that lines up. I mean, there's so much to this that I still don't even understand, but this is a channel in of itself. So where do we see this going? I mean, projection point somewhere around here, the 95 level. And if we were going to retrace back down, which, I mean, we haven't broken this trend line yet either. So yeah, I mean, it's going to be an interesting day to trade. But yeah, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, as per usual, just put a comment down below. If you don't have TradingView like Goonie, sign up to TradingView. There's going to be a link down below. And if you do want to support the stream and you want to start trading, please do use the links below, and you get fee discounts for anything. But you know what? I'm not even gonna ask that of you guys. Just like this video and subscribe. I'd like really appreciate it with the YouTube algorithm and whatever. But yes, I mean, you know, do your thing. And yeah, we out here.